Hi everyone. In Windows system, we usually use mouse to control the viewport. It also works for timeline. Now you can use your two fingers on the touchpad to pan and to zoom the timeline. And these gestures are also works for object mode and other modes. For a touch screen, now you can use gestures to zoom, to pan, to rotate a viewport. To pan the view, you can use three fingers. As you can see, these gestures can also work for other panels. Let me switch to draw mode to write something. Yes, thanks for watching. Let me rotate it. I need to switch to object mode to delete this cubic. Thanks for watching.